I'm gonna be playing on my sister's Roblox. Okay, so like, I accidentally pressed the space bar, so I have to start video again. But so far, so this is my sister's Roblox. If you wanna add her, yeah, her name is Glitter Unicorn 4899. If you have Roblox, that is. So yeah. I'm gonna wee. Okay, I think I've gone insane. I did it, guys. I'm so smart. Holy sholy. Stop it, Flores. What the flip? Why are you so happy for? Oh my god, look, there's a person there. Let's see him. Knowledge. First, my brother started to say knowledge, and now I can't stop saying it. So, thanks, Zion. Flipping love you, babes. It's a fucking face. Get the fuck off of me. Ha! That was weird. Oh, you moldy coley kidding. Holy sholy. Holy noly. I couldn't. Oh my Sorry about that laughing outburst. That was just, and then my sister had done some. So, you know what? Little tour. I did it, guys. Holy moly. Obviously, well, I don't need that wee stupid hoe. My friend gave me a message. Holy shit. Oh my god, there's a person there. Holy, holy. But can I do this? That was close. No! Right. If I can do this, then I'm gonna die. I actually can't. Mommy! Why? Oh, I thought my sister was angry at me. Hoi! God, look at that. This took me like 10 minutes to do. Like, holy moly. Okay. I don't know what I did there. I'm just so shit. Or maybe it's just a fucking computer. But really, I am not doing any fucking bitch. No, I'm fine. Please just fuck off. I was doing so good. I don't. What? Oh, that's not nice. I don't know what I touched. Thank you very much. Oh, that's a hardy party. Right. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Huh? I didn't touch anything. What sounds? Mummy, I'm gonna cry now. What? Nah. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm not doing this anymore. Bye. It took me 10 hours.